Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome back. I really appreciate you to be with me on this journey of learning about research methodology or research methods. My name is Dr. Zia. I'm an academician, educationist, trainer, consultant, and executive coach. Before we move to our lecture, please do subscribe and press like button. I'm sure that you will understand what it takes to learn, enhance, and carry out research in order to approve, disapprove, create, expand the limits of knowledge, or even to solve real life problems in your professions. In this is lecture 2 on research methodology. In this lecture, we are going to talk about what is research design. I would request you to pause the video and type in the comments below. What do you understand by research design? Okay. A research design is a plan of selecting the sources and types of information used to answer research questions. It is also called a framework for specifying the relationship among the study variables. It is also can be illustrated in a way that it is a blueprint that outlines each procedure from hypothesis to the analysis and results. The second aspect in this lecture we are going to talk about is the types of research. What do you understand? What are different types of research? I would request you to pause the video and type the comments below. Alright, there are two basic types of research. Number one, basic research, and number two, applied research. When I talk about basic research, let's talk about basic research first. Basic research aims to expand the frontiers of science and knowledge by verifying or means approving or disapproving the acceptability of a given theory or attempting to discover more about a certain concept. Here, the focus is on non-specificity. Remember this one, this is important. Let's talk about what is applied research. Applied research focuses on a real-life problem or situation with a view to helping reach a decision how to deal with it. Here, the focus is on specificity. Okay, basic research aims to expand the frontiers of science, as we said, and applied research tries to find out the real life problems and the solutions to them. So here, what can be the example? Give some example of basic research if it comes in your mind. I can give you one example. An example of basic research could be, how does motivation affect employees' performance? I would request you to pause this video and give your examples in the comments below. Now, what can be the example of an applied research? Can you pause this video and put the examples in the comment below? Let me see how many examples you can put below or type or how many examples come in your mind and you can write below. Okay, let me give you my example or one example which is coming in my mind about applied research. An applied research example could be, should a corporation adopt a paperless office environment? Or in nowadays scenario or phenomena, should a corporation adapt a touchless office environment in this environment of coronavirus? So we can just ask this question and we can find out by using applied research. Now, on the basis of these two, basic and applied research, from another perspective, there are 4 different types of research. What are those 4 different types of research? Let's talk about number 1, descriptive research, number 2, exploratory research, number 3, explanatory research, number 4, predictive research. Let me repeat, number 1, descriptive, number 2, explanatory, number 3, predictive, number 4, exploratory research. Okay, let's talk about the descriptive research first. We will define it and then we'll move ahead to the next research kind or type. So descriptive research describes a single event or characteristic or relates a few events or variables through statistical analysis. And explanatory research answers the why and how of the phenomenon through hypotheses and theories, while a predictive research constructs and uses models to forecast the occurrence of an event or events. And lastly, exploratory research. Exploratory research is conducted for a problem that has not been clearly defined. Excuse me. It often occurs before we know enough to make conceptual framework or conceptual understanding. So, we talked about the basic and applied research. We talked about the 4 different types of research here. I hope you enjoyed the lecture. Do press the subscribe button, like and share. For PowerPoint slides, I have shared the link below. My name is Dr. Zia. I wish you best of luck and see you in next lecture. Thank you.